Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can link an Amazon account on Ring app. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your this option which is three lines on your top left corner. Just go over there and then go to account setting or control center. So let me just go with one, let's say account setting right now. So a bit down, that's all the way down, you'll find sign out. Just above that you'll find link your Amazon account. Just go over there and then just read this. Let's link your Amazon and Ring account, like blah 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 and all. So just if this is not tick, just tick if you like to have enable ring skill, or else you can just go with untick and agree and do it. So please enter the password for your Ring account. So just enter the password and verify and continue. Now it will redirect you somewhere else. So over here now what you need to do is just have your Amazon email or phone number and then Amazon password. So basically you need to sign into Amazon over here, and once you are signed in, then you will be like, let's say your account, Ring account will be linked with Amazon account. So that's how you do it. I just directed you guys, so the direction and all. So that's pretty much, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Also, if you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. We'll help you with everything. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.